Welcome to Summarize Science. Today, the video explores a fascinating paper called A Paradox of AI Fluency. It examines how a user's skill level changes what AI actually delivers for them. The researchers analyzed thousands of real-world transcripts to see how expertise translates into success. They discovered that fluent users take on much more complex tasks than novices. There are two main ways people interact with AI. Novice users are often delegative, meaning they tend to passively accept the AI's plans and responses. Fluent users, however, adopt an augmentative stance. They iterate collaboratively with the AI, refining goals and critically assessing outputs as they go. This leads to what the paper calls the AI Fluency Paradox. According to Figure 6, fluent users actually experience more failures than beginners do. The data shows that 64% of transcripts from experts contain a failure indicator, compared to just 24% for novices. But there is a critical distinction in the type of failures occurring. For novices, failures are often invisible, meaning the chat ends without the user realizing the AI missed the mark. For experts, failures are visible because their active engagement forces errors to the surface. Figure 7 illustrates that despite these failures, fluent users achieve greater success on complex tasks. They are much more likely to steer the AI back toward a useful result. The study identifies several invisible failure archetypes like the silent mismatch. This occurs when the AI addresses a different goal than the user intended, but the response seems plausible enough to go unchallenged. Another archetype is the walkaway, where a user simply stops engaging without reaching a resolution. Expert users avoid this by knowing how to work through the AI's weaknesses. To recap the findings, being good at AI is not about avoiding all mistakes. True fluency involves catching those mistakes and managing the interaction to achieve a better outcome. In the future, AI product designers might create interfaces that encourage deeper engagement rather than friction-free experiences. This approach might make users less satisfied in the moment, but lead to better results long-term. For now, the best practical advice is to stop being a passive passenger and start being an active driver. You should adopt a stance of active engagement rather than passive acceptance. This research highlights that the most important factor in AI success is often the user's behavior, not just the model. Thank you for watching Summarize Science.